Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to download voice message from Messenger in 2025. If you want to save those important or memorable voice notes from your chats, here's a simple way to do it. First, open the Messenger app or use Messenger on your laptop. Find the conversation with the voice message you want to save. On your phone, press and hold voice message until the menu pops up. Look for options like save or download, but if those are not available, you will need to take a few extra steps. If a direct saving is not an option, you can use the desktop version. Open Messenger on your laptop browser, play the voice message, then right-click on your audio player and select Save Audio As. To download, it is an MP3 file. Alternatively, you can use third-party apps or screen or audio recorder tools to capture the voice notes. Make sure to respect privacy and only save messages that you have a permission to keep. Thanks for watching. If this helped you to download voice message from Messenger, please like the video, leave your questions in the comment, and subscribe for more messaging app tutorials and guides. See you in the next time.